As you know, I've changed my Bitmoji. Download the app or update the app. Open the Bitmoji app, select settings on the top left, select change avatar style and select Bitmoji Deluxe. Not many of you have changed your Bitmoji to the Deluxe. It's new for 2018. It has more than 100 hairstyles, hair treatments such as ombre, balayage and highlights. It's got new colors for glasses and headwear, more skin tones and all new makeup palettes. I like the fact that they give you a picture, like they allow you to have a picture of yourself so you can cross-reference that, so that you know your Bitmoji actually looks a lot like you. Go ahead, give it a go, test it out, see what you like. It may not look like you in the beginning and you'll have to alter it again and again like I did. I changed it so many times. I think I'll leave it alone for now and see, you know, what it looks, see how that works with me. But yeah, just give it a go and change your outfits whenever you want to. Bitmojis are fun and it's great on Snapchat, so have fun.